You need a powerful plunger that packs a real punch. This one sinks in faucets. This one, toilets. There's nothing good about plunging. I mean, nobody wants to pick out a plunger because they don't want to use a plunger. My name's Eric Olson. I'm a master plumber. I'm also a master trainer. Choose the right plunger. Not all plungers are the same. So these two plungers are completely different and they serve different purposes. The first plunger you see here is called a forced cup plunger. The reason why it's called that is because it kind of looks like a cup. These typically come on a wooden stick and they have a flat surface on the bottom of the cup. Now these would typically be used for a bathtub, a sink, something with a flat surface. My second plunger here, this is actually called a beehive plunger. This is specifically used for a toilet. This is actually my preferred plunger because this fits all toilet types. You don't just stick it in and start pumping away. There's a couple extra steps you need to know. The first thing you need to know is the plunger does not go in, up, and down. You're actually going to angle it in towards the toilet. The purpose of that is you want to be able to collect some water into the head of the plunger. Afterwards, you'll tilt it upright and you're going to plunge for about 20 seconds, pulsing it up and down. After you're done plunging and your toilet's unclogged, you're probably gonna wanna know how to clean this thing and where to put it. So we always recommend adding a little disinfectant. You could also use some bleach. So you're gonna simply pour this into the toilet on top of the plunger. And now you can use what's inside the toilet to kind of swish around, do some swirling action. If you wanna let it sit for a while, you simply have to close the lid, leave the plunger in place, and walk away. If you are not able to unclog your toilet and the powerful plunger did not work, it's not a problem. We're gonna provide you with another training video using a rigid K3 auger that you can pick up at your local hardware store. I love plumbing and I love teaching people. Whether you're a homeowner trying to avoid plumbing costs or you're somebody getting into the plumbing trade, you can come back to our channel, subscribe, and I'll teach you how to get the job done.